Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Highland Deluxe inline shutoff valve. So this is a very simple device which is going to fit between your second stage and the hose leading to the first stage, and it is, as the name suggests, it's a shutoff valve. But it's color coded as well, so it's really easy and tactile to understand. So when it's green, air is flowing fine, and then you just slide it to the other direction, and then red light, it shuts it off. So that's great for a second stage that's free flowing underwater, but you don't want to sort of switch off the valve, or you can't reach the valve. So you just switch off the this little inline shut-off valve and interrupt that flow. So let's show it fitted to a regulator. Okay, so here we have it fitted to a regulator. This is an Apex XTX50, but it should fit pretty much 90–95% of regulators out there. This is a pretty universal fitting. So when it's green, airflow is fine, but say your regulator is free flowing or creeping in the water, you want to interrupt it, switch it off, and it switches off. And no matter how much you push that purge button, it really won't sort of activate. As soon as you need gas again, push it back, and then it works fine. So this is great if there's a problem with your second stage or your first stage. Instead of like crimping the hose, trying to breathe from it, or some other kind of mechanism, you can breathe from it whilst it's green, switch it off, exhale, switch it back on. So it's a great little system, very quick and easy. It's nice and light as well, because this sort of section is made out of Delrin, a handy little gadget. Okay, so that was the Highland Deluxe inline shutoff valve, a very handy little sort of gadget for your regulator, just to interrupt any kind of free flows. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.